Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Clean. We've got look at this place, unbelievable, unbelievable. It's the lap of the gods in Melbourne. There's an acrylic dome there. I hope you can see it has significant lichen growth on it, and we're being asked to wash it. So we're using probably the largest lift that we can use in a residential space, and we'll be getting right on the other side of that dome, and we're going to start doing our chemical treatment. So whenever you've got algal growth, you must wash with chemical, otherwise you're not going to kill the spores of the mold. So that's very important. And then what we'll do is we'll be using what we call our soft washing method, which is low pressure, and we'll slowly be eroding that lichen off the structure. We'll be driving the lift back and forth so we can access the full reach. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to it. I'll show you a bit of drone footage as well so we can see exactly the whole structure from up there. And then we'll be washing it later, and I'll show you a video of that. Stay tuned. Have a look at this clear dome. They've got a swimming pool underneath here, so you can see it's all being cleaned right through here. So the thing with algal growth is that it is generally, depends on the property, but generally quite slow to grow. So the good thing is when surfaces are cleaned like this, and more importantly when they're cleaned with the right chemical and mold and mildew, you are going to get a very good length of time before it grows back. So you'd be looking at least for a property like this, in this location of the sun, you'd be getting at least 8 to 12 years before they will need to call me back. So it's always good to consider that as well when you're looking at getting something done, because that's then obviously, you know, it's not a regular service, and that you can probably afford to spend the time to be able to, spend the time and money to be able to maintain a good, clean space, which will let light in. And the last thing I would say is that any organic growth like what we had on here, which was the lichen, it will only spread with time. There's no way that it will die over time, because it feeds off moisture and also off sunlight. So it does just end up spreading, because the spores end up spreading, which is how it grows. So I hope that's helpful, and I hope you enjoyed the drone footage, sorry. And thanks for watching. And if you haven't checked out our other videos, Do have a look online. There is lots of content on there around different surfaces, different dimensions, different types of exterior cleaning that we offer. Look forward to hearing from you when you're ready.